storage, then you reinstall, but other than that it's stable. You don't need an antivirus, you don't need a firewall. Windows just takes care of everything, and you don't care. You just play or do your work, and yeah. You don't have to wait to format. This was a thing back then. Oh boy. I forgot about this. This was a thing. Oh boy. But I really want to do this, to have the original operating system on this computer. It's more or less preserved, all the original parts. I like how this is configured. I don't know what I can show you here, but it's a compact and original power supply, original mainboard, Pentium 4 2.4 GHz processor, and it even has a floppy drive, but the rest of the case is missing. So yeah, it's a nice system. Also, the PC speaker is connected to the sound card. That's another thing I really like. I usually took off that cable off of computers I built, because that cable would introduce noise into the sound. Yeah, but on a good quality mainboard they managed to do that without a problem. And the PC speaker just outputs mono sound. You don't need more, especially if it's an office PC, but even if you're using it at home. If you need good quality music, you connect some really nice speakers or good headphones. But just working in Windows, watching stupid videos, for that, one tiny speaker is more than enough. So yeah, formatting is almost complete, and it will tell us that it had errors. Thanks. Oh boy. Come on. So somebody added a video card and what is that? What was that? Was it only network? Yeah, it was network card and a graphics card in the AGP port, and I took them out because it's not necessary. On this computer I just want to run well, games should work on this, like, but not really 3D, just games from that era up to 2000, like World of Warcraft. Even that will work with integrated graphics, but I don't want to run that. Maybe just Warcraft, Starcraft, and all the Red Alert, Command and Conquer. Those games run without the graphics card. They are 2D. Just with the integrated crap. I even forget what it's called. It's Intel 845, the integrated graphics in the first chipsets. Yeah. Then came the 3000, or was there 2000? I don't even remember. 3000 I remember, and the last one that was on the main board, not in the processor, was the 4100 or 200. And yeah, after that, they moved the graphics processor into the processor, and yeah, they were all named HD graphics, and yeah, you had to figure out which one is better, because they just said HD graphics and that's it. If it's an i3, it probably had worse or identical graphics as an i5. But between generations, you had to look it up. Too complicated. But I think AMD did the exact same thing. They just said Radeon HD. Did they use HD? I think they stole that from Intel. That's really crappy. Crappy business practice. Come on, 99%. 99. Come on, come on. You can do it. If you can do it, nobody can. Wait. I hear an error. Oh boy, don't. Or it's working on something. It's either an error or it's finishing up the process and the head is moving a lot. Oh boy, that would be a waste if I waited all this time and it. Do you hear that? That's an error. Yep. Nice. So, this was almost last time. The system didn't lock up yet. What can I do? I'm out of practice. What do you do with the crappy? I think this is dead. I mean, the caps lock still works. But yeah, I'm going to stop the recording. This was a bad idea. I mean, stumbling all the way.